Welcome back, beautiful family. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious homemade turkey sandwich. Delicious, easy, and perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious ham sandwich, or torta as I call it, these are the ingredients. I have the bolillos here, some jalapenos, mayonnaise, refried beans, pepper jack cheese, ham, onion, tomato, cucumber, lettuce, and bacon. This is everything we need to prepare a delicious homemade torta, especially with this hot weather. So let's get started. I want to start here first with my cucumber. Of course, all my vegetables are washed and rinsed through running water. I am going to start slicing nice and thin. Let me tell you, this torta really comes out delicious. I am sure you're going to really love it. It's easy to prepare and with ingredients that you could find in any supermarket. Look at this. You want your cucumber to be sliced nice and thin so it really complements and goes with the rest of the ingredients. Once you have all your cucumber sliced, you're going to continue with your tomato. I'm going to remove the edge of the tomato and continue slicing away. This torta comes out delicious, especially with the crispy bacon. Oh my gosh. I love red onion. That's why I'm adding red onion. You could add white onion or the onion you have at home. But let me tell you, this red onion really gives it an amazing flavor. Well, now that I have all my veggies nice and sliced, then we are ready. Let me show you the lettuce. I am only going to remove this part of the lettuce. Like I said, I have rinsed and disinfected the lettuce already. And now all my ingredients are just ready for me to start adding the delicious flavors inside the bolillo. Of course, the jalapeno, the refried beans, I refried them with the oils of the bacon or with the lard of the bacon, and I'm going to add all these amazing ingredients into my bolillo. Well, let's start. Let me show you that this bolillo, it's really crispy from the outside, but yet from the inside it's really nice and fluffy. Look at this. You have this amazing recipe on my channel, how to make a bolillo from scratch. You decide how large you want them, but here I'm going to start by adding 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. You decide how much mayonnaise you want to add into this amazing bolillo. I am going to add the refried beans. Of course, refried beans, with all the lard of the bacon. Oh my gosh, these beans taste amazing. After you add your mayonnaise and your refried beans, you are ready to start building up this torta. I'm adding 2 leaves, very nicely. I'm going to add my ham. You decide how much ham you want to add, but let me tell you, 1 sandwich is enough for 1 person. You could combine it with some chips or just add more cucumber on the side so that it's a delicious and healthy lunch. Look at this. I am going to add 2 slices of the cheese. Of course, you could use any kind of cheese you have at home, but I love the pepper jack cheese because a little spicy, a little kick on the cheese. And now I am going to be very creative and add the slices of the cucumber. Look at this. The tomato, of course, the onion sliced. This torta comes out amazing. Of course, I love spicy food. I am going to add a little bit of the jalapeno. I'm not adding any juice of the jalapenos, only the sliced jalapenos. I'm gonna add just a little bit, okay? If you don't like spicy food, just add the pepper jack and it'll be amazing. I'm gonna add a little bit at a time, and to top it off, I'm going to add just a little bit of ranch dressing. Just a little bit because I don't want my torta to get soggy. Of course, I can't forget the bacon. It's really crispy. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is going to be an amazing lunch. Look how beautiful this looks. I can't wait to cut it in half and start enjoying it. Well, here I am ready to add just a little bit of ranch. I don't want to add too much because I don't want my torta to be soggy. I added some cucumber on the side, and now I am going to slice away. Look at this. Oh my gosh, my mouth is watering and I can't wait to enjoy. I hope you make it. If you got up to this part of the video and you like and you love what you see, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so cooking with Gloria keeps growing. I'm ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing ham torta. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Oh my God. The bacon is so crispy and delicious, but yet this torta is refreshing and amazing. Delicious. I hope, my friends, you make this easy and delicious homemade torta. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button. If you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying these amazing tortas, homemade with lots of love. See you soon. Bye-bye.